We carried out a comparative analysis of various characteristics on the Airbnb platform and compared the income with or without a hot tub. We surveyed a total of 67 properties in a market with low seasonality that allows for skiing in winter and outdoor activities in summer, and we compared the daily income and occupancy based on the presence or absence of a hot tub or jacuzzi. The presence of a hot tub enhances the daily rate by an additional $36 and significantly boosts the annual occupancy by an impressive 10%. This improvement only occurs in units for 2 passengers or couples. Properties that can accommodate families or more than 4 passengers did not see an improvement in daily revenue or average occupancy rate. To summarize, if you possess a property catering to 2 passengers in a market that allows skiing and outdoor activities, you can potentially boost your daily revenue and occupancy by installing a hot tub, which can provide an added attraction for guests seeking relaxation and luxury during their stay.